around now, turn around now. I just wanna have fun. Turn around now, turn around now. I just want fun. I wanna turn around, dance. I just want fun. I wanna.
Welcome to Google's office in Toronto, one of their newest locations in Canada. I got the chance to tour it with my friend Aliana and her husband. He works here as a software engineer. After a quick elevator ride up to the 10th floor, we arrived at the reception where I picked up my guest pass and we officially started our tour. Our first stop was the game room, and let me just say it was so fun. There were PlayStations, a whole wall of board games, shelves full of Lego sets. A mini version of the YouTube logo made from Lego pieces. We played around with that a bit. It's a space where employees can take breaks, socialize, and just reset their mind. And honestly, I can see how helpful that would be in a long work day. Right next to that was the DIY room. This one really surprised me. They have a 3D printer set up, tools for t-shirt printing, and lots of materials for creative projects. It's not something you'd expect in a tech office, but it was so cool to see how much they encourage hands-on creativity, not just the screen-based work. Then we went to this secret room tucked away and not easy to find if you didn't know it exists. Inside there was a ping-pong table, a billiards table, and another game I honestly didn't know the name of, but the best part was the huge windows with an amazing view of the city. If you're someone who forgets things like a charger or even your laptop, here's a spot. One of the coolest rooms was definitely the music room.
There's a piano.
It had everything, like guitars, drums, a keyboard, mics, and even production equipment. Whether you're into music for fun or you're actually producing, this is such a unique feature to have at work. We also checked out the Unplug room. This is a wellness space where employees can take a real break. They had massage chairs, private massage rooms, yoga mats, and meditation cushions. There was even a lactation room for moms. I love seeing how much thought they put into creating supportive spaces for everyone. Of course, I had to check out the food station, and yes, it's as good as you've heard. Employees get free breakfast and lunch every day. There's a huge canteen and even a cafe with a barista making coffee and drinks to order. Honestly, if I worked here, I'd be spending a lot of time in that cafe. As we walked past the meeting rooms, I noticed they all had these random and funny names. Here's a quick look inside one of the rooms. Clean, modern, and creative. We finished our visit by sitting down to get a bit of work done. Eliana and I worked from the kitchen bar, and every floor has a full kitchen with the snacks and drinks and a chill atmosphere to work in. It really felt like a mix between a cozy cafe and an office. I could totally see myself working here. I wish. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite part of the Google's office. And yeah, just like and don't forget to subscribe for more and watch my other UX design videos. See you in the next video. Bye!